Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a brilliant blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Settled brown leather interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 53,992 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.